All you need is download the 3U tools. You can get the link from me. There's 3U tools. So once you download it, all you need is your laptop and your phone. Connect it all together. Then you click on the ringtone. Look for all the music that's on the iPhone right there. Then you set the seconds which you want the music to play to. Then you generate. You click on the generate. Import it to your device. Then you can go to your iPhone settings. Then change the ringtone. Then you go to your sounds and haptics. Click on it. Then you set the ringtone. You change it to the one which you just made. That's all. Don't forget to like my channel. Ask me for the link to download the software on your computer. Bye.